Hello, this is Anthony with the travel site You, Me, and the Doc. You can find us on the web at www.youmeandthedoc.com. Today we're here on Treasure Island, just outside St. Petersburg, Florida. We're here at the Standing Ovations Masters Cup. Sit back and watch these masterful artists do their work. We'll be back with you soon. Till then, here we are at the Standing Ovations Masters Cup here on Treasure Island on the beach. And as you can see, this is a very well attended event, and there are some beautiful sculptures here. Stay tuned. This particular sculpture took second place, and it's rather an interesting sculpture. Out of all the sand sculpturing contests I have been in, I have not seen a 360-degree sand sculpture like this. It's rather phenomenal, and as you can see, the artist got a little creative at the bottom. Very interesting piece of work. Like at every event, you'll have all of your food stands and your beverage stands. There are plenty of vendors showing their pieces of art, as there are jewelry. Hey, saying hi, Mom. Hope you see the article, Mom. Looking for a place to sit? This is the place to come to. Looks like you got a lot of comfortable chairs there. That song by the 5-man electrical band, Signs, Signs, Everywhere a Sign. Right here you can pick it up, folks, any sign that you want.
So any of you dancers out there? Well, it's 3:34 in the morning, and there's nothing that I'd rather do than to call you and tell you I love you, to wish that your wishes come true. But at 3:34 in the morning, long before your alarm clock would ring.
Anthony here again with the travel site You, Me, and the Doc. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic event. See this and many more exciting articles, photo expos by going to our travel site, www.youmeandthedoc.com. Till our next adventure, love, laugh, and travel lots. See you soon.